So there you have it. The first tick on the index in flat terrain. The Nifty holding on to 19,360. The Bank Nifty actually a tad bit in the red. So it's flat, but with a bit of a negative bias going for itself. Let's find out what's dragging the markets. As I said, Adani Group stocks not looking that great. Adani Enterprises and Ports down about 2.5%. Bharti Airtel in the red as well. It's banks yet again. This month, banks are down over 3%. And that trend continues. So Axis, HDFC, Kotak are all in the red this morning. Apart from that, some steel stocks also not looking great. JSW Steel down about 1%. You have Cipla, Sun Pharma, Eicher Motors also trending in the red this morning. So what's doing well? IT. You have HCL Tech. You have Infosys. There is L&T, which of course has been a big gainer this year. There's TCS, SBI that are hanging on to the green line. And Hindalco is up almost about 1%. Tata Motors as well. Not too bad really. Still one of the biggest gainers this year, up about 60%. So Tata Motors hanging on to that 600 rupee mark. But otherwise, the action once again continues in the broader markets. But, now all Adani Group stocks are under a bit of pressure. So there's Adani Gas, Adani Enterprises, a couple of others as well, down about 2 to 3%. What's happening in the broader market?
Well, on the Adani Group itself, the group has sent out, a release. They're rejecting all of these claims that have come overnight. So, those stocks should be in focus. They're under some pressure, but the Adani Group is rejecting all of these claims. Two stocks that we were looking at on the back of large trades, MedPlus as well as Sula. Both of them at a bit of a discount. Those deals are getting cleared out as it's flashing for you on the screen. So both of them on your radar. On the flip side, Jio Financial Services, it's locked up in upper circuit again. It's up close to around 5% approximately. Remember, it continues to remain in the Nifty because it needs 2 days of not hitting circuit, either on the upside or the downside. And that's not happened. So still, it is giving some kind of support to the index. Suzlon, well, that continues to move from strength to strength. That one, in fact, is up close to around 4.5%. And for this month itself, Suzlon is up close to around 40%. So that's been one of the big outperformers. Uflex had a good session yesterday. It's continuing its good run. It's up close to around 3.5% as we speak. On the downside, a couple of other notable movers are, ACC and Ambuja Cements, both of them belonging to the Adani Group. So both of them are down 1.5% to 2%. And from the frontline names, Hindustan Copper is up close to around 3% odd. Last quarter's numbers weren't great. Valuations not in favor. But the street seems to be thinking that there's a bigger game that will play out here. And maybe, in fact, they'll be able to change their product mix, get some kind of value-added, products coming in there as well. So explains why that stock is up 3%. Prashant.
Okay, those large blocks are going through, right? MedPlus is flashing at the bottom of the screen. Sula, there's that 13% equity has changed hands. The stock's holding. I mean, with that kind of equity hitting via these deals, I mean, the stock's down 3-0. MedPlus is down about 5%, a little more. And there also it's a very large transaction which has taken place. Now, let's just take a quick look at a few other names. Jio Financial, I think Nigel did highlight 5% higher. So, yeah. The low was 200, almost actually 202 or so was the low 2 or 3 days back, and it's rallied nicely from there. Look at just a few other names, right? Shakti Pumps was locked up in 20% circuit. It's up another 5% this morning. So it's coming up as the 4th largest volume traded stock. So that's pretty large for this time of the day. We have Uflex, which went up sharply. All these packaging companies, Uflex was the top gainer. It's up another 3% this morning. Atul Auto, what a move. I mean, we had the largest investor in Atul Auto, Vijay Kedia, with us earlier this week. From that point, the stocks rallied another 25%. But the rally started before that. The stock is up 70% in August. 70%. So it's been just a one-way kind of a move for that one. We've got MTAR Tech, which is up about 4%. Stocks at about 2376. MTAR Tech, large volumes in that one. Ajanta Pharma is up about 3.5% right now. What else? Kirloskar Oil Engines is up about 5%, 489 on that one. There is Chennai Petro, which is up 2%. Dream Folks, there was some news flow there earlier. We picked up 3% on that one, 515. Supreme Industries, look at that. Oh boy, almost 4,700 on Supreme Industries. That surprise MSCI inclusion happened not very far back, and it's been an absolutely stellar move. 30% in August. So Supreme Industries has picked up trades at I think about 60-65 times 1 year forward earnings, but no stopping it really at this point in time. And I just want to quickly look at Gokuldas Exports, which did very well, and I think it's seeing a little bit of profit booking. It's down about 4.5%, 828. I mean, almost went to 900 from under 700, 2 days flat. So there is a little bit of pullback, which is materializing on that side. Apart from that, as Sonia mentioned, some of these Adani Group stocks, not large, they're down 1.5% at least as we begin today's trading session.